landing page, and agent has to click on renewals to open the renewal dashboard. So he'll be redirected to the renewal list, and he can export all the renewal list also if he wants to. And if you can see, the customer names along with the policy number, product, sum insured, and expiry date will be displayed here, and renewal notice. This PDF which we are seeing here can download the renewal notice. So this create link, by clicking on this create link, we can initiate the renewal journey. So renewal notice has been downloaded. So I'm initiating the renewal journey for this right now. I'm initiating the renewal journey for 332 policy by clicking on create link. So this is the details. Agent can edit the details if he wants also and send it to the customer. So right now I'm changing the mobile number. And also mail ID. So this is the email ID and this is the address. You can save it. So you can see the edited details and verify it and click on next. So the first page contains of all the basic details, and second page consists of insured details and sum insured. So currently we cannot see the insured name and who all covered in the policy, but right now we can see the sum insured which you can edit. So I am changing the sum insured to 10 lakh and the premium is auto populated, and then I am clicking on here. I hereby acknowledge this content, this declaration, and I am clicking on it and choosing offline mode. So this is with changes online payment. So notification sent successfully is the message we will receive. Agent will be seeing this. So once this is done, customer will receive the mail to his mail ID. Customer will be receiving it, saying that this is the policy, assisted policy renewal. You can see the product name also. So by clicking on renew a health policy, you will be redirected to the renewal page. So this process is for the customer. So right now customer is viewing and he can see the details and he can edit details if he wants. And he has reviewed the premium of the changed sum insured, and is going to again select the declaration and proceed to pay now option. So here customer will receive the OTP to the changed mobile number. So again he'll edit here, enter the OTP. You can see the premium with taxes, and now he is entering the OTP. Validation will happen and he'll be redirected to the payment page. So he can choose any mode of payment, choosing net banking, and the payment is successful. So this is the page which customer will see once the payment is done. So by this the process ends. So this is for the renewal journey for the online process with changes. Receive the renewal policy in his email. So this is the policy which we have created. So if we click on the policy document, we can see the renewed policy details with also the previous policy number. It has the intermediary code, agent details, everything, office code, fulfiller code, insured details, nominee details if any, ATD certificate, and tax invoice.